Hey guys, Ironhide City here, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, this session will be broken up into 3 videos, each ranging from 5 to 7 minutes long. So, this is the first chapter, which covers notation and the first layer. The second chapter will be covering the completed middle layer, and the third chapter will actually cover the very last layer. So that's how this is going to be broken up. So let's get started. So here in chapter 1, we're going to start with the notation, and then we'll mix it up, and then we'll solve the first layer. So the notation is as follows, because I am using a speed cube on mine, and I think it was a Rubik's brand, and the color layout is the exact same as a normal Rubik's cube, which mine are on display. So notation is as follows. The side that faces you is known as the front side and is notated via capital F, like that. Right side, on the right, notated via capital R. This is the left side of the cube, notated via a capital L, and would look like that. This is the up side of the cube, and is notated via a capital U, like that. And the down face is notated via a capital D, like that. So that's pretty much the basic notation, but there are a few things you also need to be aware of during notation. If you encounter an apostrophe, or otherwise known as a prime symbol, it means go counterclockwise. So up, up inverted. Right, right inverted. Down, down inverted. Left, left inverted. Front, front inverted. So now I'm going to go off camera and mix up the whole cube. Be right back. All right, I think we got this one pretty decently mixed up. So here we go. So the first thing you want to do when solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube is figuring out which side you want to start with. I'm actually going to start with the blue side, but you don't have to. You can start with whatever side you want. And I mean any side. So if you're looking for the blue side, make sure it is your front face, like this. And then you're going to look for 4 blue edge pieces. There are 4 of them that we need to find. So that actually comes into our next stage of notation. The pieces, center pieces, all located in the centers. The colors consist of blue, red, green, orange, white, and yellow. And they're and there are 6 of these. Edge pieces, all located on the edges of each side, and there are 12 of them. There are a dozen. Corner pieces, all located in the corners, and these have 3 colors and are 8, and there are 8 of them in total. So, back to what I was saying. You're going to find the 4 blue edge pieces. They are here, 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 and one down here. So let's get these all back to where they need to be. We'll start with this one right here. So bring this right here, so this lines up, and then rotate it like this so it's out of the way. Then you can bring this piece down, and that'll also bring that into position. But you'll encounter a piece that is in the right spot, but is flipped wrong as well. So this is your very first, very simple algorithm. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. And that'll actually flip that around without affecting what you've already done. And I'll have the algorithms in the description of these videos, or whatever algorithms I use for this particular chapter, for that particular chapter, I mean. So, the final piece right here, bring this down, rotate it 2 times, bring this back up, and then rotate it up. And there you go. That's your first cross. Now, this is algorithm number 2 in this series, in this video. This piece is in the right spot, but flipped wrong again. Down inverted, down, right. Do it 2 times. Like so. And that should be in the right spot and flipped wrong, or flipped right, sorry. Because if I check going clockwise, blue, white, orange, blue, white, orange, thumbs up, it is correct. It is in the right spot and correctly positioned. So correct on both sides. This next piece is below where it needs to be, so here's a shortcut. Right inverted, down, down, right, down, and then right inverted, right, down. There you go. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Then you'll rotate this right over here, and then same thing. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. And if you wind up with a cube that looks like this, not only do you have the first side correctly solved, properly solved, guess what? You also have the entire first layer completed. Stay tuned for chapter 2, where we will tackle the middle layer of the cube.